back again with homeboy Alec Mazer.
Let's get it. We've been here. Day one. May Watts.
Wolverines.
We were mud rats, Wolverines. We kill us too.
Well, we're on another trip. We're headed to Aspen right now. We're packing up the car. Me, Alec, Gabe, you remember from the other video, and Sam Elston will be coming. We're driving all the way to Aspen, straight there. It's about 4:30 right now. We're gonna get to the slopes at like 9 and then ski for 4 days straight. We got time to make up for it. Right now, we're supposed to get at the place at 9 a.m. if we literally are as fast as we can at every stop. So that's something you guys can look forward to, because we're gonna have to be extremely efficient on these gas stops. No like major fast route, in, out, gas immediately.
Dumbass. What's he doing waiting on the side of the road like a hooker? Ask him, hey, how much?
No, stop, let's roll.
Yo,
all right, we're in. We're on the road.
Yeah, we got everybody in the car.
Finally on the road.
Just picked up our guy.
All right, pit stop number 1 complete. We're back on the road. Joey only cost us 30 minutes. Now we're gonna get there at 8:48 instead of 8:15.
Somebody's door open?
Yeah, once it gets to Nebraska and the speed limit's 80, I'm going 100.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, we'll let you know unless we die.
Any more long stops?
Stop number 2 coming to a close. We're about 2 hours away from Colorado, the border, right? Is that what you said?
We're making a run for the border.
We have been making great time because of yours truly.
I can't deny it.
Well, 93 and a 75.
We were making good time.
We were making great time, but
we actually still are.
yeah.
Is the Waze app still open?
Yeah.
If you guys would have been past me a half mile later, I was going home, so I'm not too worried about it. You're nice weekend.
All right, yep, thanks.
Appreciate it.
Doesn't open until 9. But I'll tell you what, Gabe's $120 ticket shaved off 2 hours. So I am damn impressed.
You're welcome.
I will be putting $10 towards that. If anybody wants to hit his Venmo to help
I'll leave it in the comments.
It'll be in the comments.
Right here in the video, we're dropping Gabe's Venmo. If you guys want to be nice and help him out, give him a little bit of money. I think I'll give him $10 too.
We made it, boys.
We made it.
Lift's right over there. You can't really see it.
2 hours early.
2 hours early. Welcome. You're welcome. Oh, Alex. Finally.
What year is it?
We got a view of the hill that we're going on, and it is 90% moguls.
Yeah. We're a little concerned about that.
Because we get out there, if it's not enough of the shit we like, then we bail and go to the Snowmass.
We go to the blues.
That's that shit we don't like.
Got a nice smoothie. Feel good about myself. Look, the gang's all here.
Feels good about you.
Everyone's smiling, I bet, except Gabe.
Literally no one else.
Oh, we all love to go. We're here, we're ready to get after it. I'm super pumped.
Did you go check on rentals, bud?
Come on, boys. Hurry up, hurry up. Let's go.
We are way too excited.
Look at this beautiful scenery. and ugly.
I think driving straight through and then skiing a very tough mountain was a difficult test. We got 2 hours left, probably about 3 good runs. So let's make the most of it. And then we're gonna pass out and get a good 12 hours sleep. So.
All right, day 1 complete. Well, moral of the story is we still had a good time. Running on fumes of sleep.
Tomorrow's a new day, Laser. I believe in you. Tomorrow's a new day with no moguls.
Yeah.
No moguls.
Joey
tomorrow.
leading us into moguls all the time is not
promise.
ideal, but makes you tougher, right?
Yeah. It's like a
Pack.
burn the shit mentality, you know? Just like once you're there, you can't really leave, so you gotta do it.
This is true. Baptism under fire.
So we're gonna pack up the truck, head over to Keegan's. Hopefully he's home. If
Not
not,
until 5, so I don't know what we're gonna do.
yeah, maybe. Old Gilligan taking us in for the week.
Yeah!
The double TV setup, the
Oh my
wood
God.
fire
I
stove.
didn't notice there was a double TV until right now.
It's a pretty nice little setup he's got here, though. 2 bedrooms, one there, a bathroom, a kitchen, washer and dryer.
Bro, he's got more.
His own way in, so he can sneak his little girlfriends in.
Oh, yeah.